Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you the second part, which I didn't expect to do, the second part of the video that I made for grandparents who have their grandkids far away from them. Now I made a video showing you each of these items. There's a calendar there with like animals taking selfies and everything and all that, but I went through all those items in the video that I'm telling you about. And I also made this picture frame for my granddaughter, kind of to keep connected, even though we see her through FaceTime and all that. But this is something she can have in her room. Now when I made this in the video, it did not have those pumpkins on the side. It just had the orange tape around it. And I did show you how to make this in the video. I wrapped it up with I wrapped a piece of cardboard with that paper, and then the borders were from this tape here. You can get it at the Dollar Tree. So I did have some adhesive diamond wrap, and this is what gave me the idea, because I was gonna get a marker and just like paint some pumpkins on the sides or little skulls, but then I remembered that I had this adhesive diamond wrap, and it's adhesive, so I was able to cut it and place it all around the orange tape. So I made a more Halloweenish border for our picture to her. So I think she's really gonna like this. I mean, it's not perfect in the back, but the back doesn't matter. So this is a way of keeping connected with your grandkids that you don't see too often. Send them a picture of you, or of you and your hubby, or you and your wife, and you know, they'll see it and they'll know that that's grandma and grandpa. Okay, so later on, as the years go by, they remember those little things. Remember that they will remember the little things, and maybe one day they'll say, I remember, I didn't grow up close to my grandparents, but I remember them sending me pictures and nice borders, and maybe they'll still have it down the road. So this is just an idea, but I like it. I like the pumpkins all around like that. It gave it a better look. Alrighty, I think this is it. Just wanted to share that idea with you. Okay, so thank you for watching.